Hey, welcome to Vortex Garage, and wanted to give you a really quick update on our Spitfire. So we've got a video that's going to be posted soon all about removing the rear quarter panel, as you can see that we've done. And that's not what this update's about. Stay tuned for that. But I realized I didn't talk at all about the fact that we finished doing the inner and outer rocker on the right-hand side. So that's really what this update's all about, just to show you that that work was done, that we've got everything in place. Everything's welded. Of course, we got to dress the welds, and we never dress the welds on the other side anyway. But in the name of progress, we've already moved on. So just wanted to share with you that we did that. Did not take any video doing it because, quite frankly and honestly, the way we did it was pretty much identical to how we did this side. And we shared with you how we did that in another video. We'll post that up here. And in fact, I actually consulted that video when I was doing this side to make sure I knew the process. And watching it again, I was pretty content with what I did and pretty much followed the steps almost identical this time around. The only thing I did that was different, we talked in one of our other update videos, as I got this set in place, I did mount our door. We'll just lay the door in the aperture here to make sure it would fit, because I didn't want to find out that for some strange reason, this was sitting up too high and would not allow the door to close. It's pretty hard to see happen, but since we did, more repairs on this side, there was a higher probability that if for some reason we didn't measure something correctly, that would be the case. Good news is the door didn't fit perfectly, and I know we're going to have some work to do on gaps and everything, but we didn't even have the hinges installed, so it was just sitting in there. But it did fit, and it looked like it was workable. We're going to be able to get it lined up when the time comes. That's all that matters. And just a sneak peek, give us a little bit, maybe a day or so, and we'll post some video on removing this quarter panel. And that's pretty much where we are right now. All right, so that's pretty much it for this update. Like I said, stay tuned for more videos. If you like what you're seeing, drop us a subscribe and a like. Otherwise, we'll see you here for more on Vortex Garage.